Our Explore Careers page is designed to help you find the right role. There are over 800 job profiles that contain useful information to help you decide what your next step will be. If you already have a job in mind and want to learn more about it, head over to our website and click on Explore Careers and type in the name of the job you're interested in and hit search to find the profile. When you get to the profile, you'll see key information about average salary, working hours and shift patterns. As you scroll down, you'll come to the How to Become section. This outlines the different routes into the role and what kind of experience and qualifications you need for each route. This will help you identify the best way for you to get this job. In the More Information section, you'll find links to organisations within the industry. This can be really useful as a way of getting advice directly from industry experts and for expanding your job search, as many organisations might advertise directly on their own websites. In the What It Takes section, you'll see an outline of the skills required for the job. This can help you understand if you'd be suited to the role, and it'll tell you about any specific restrictions or requirements. The What You'll Do section can give you an idea of what the job's like on a day-to-day basis and the kind of environment you'll be working in. This can help you to decide if it's the right kind of role for you. You can also learn about career progression if you're thinking for the longer term, and you can see live apprenticeship vacancies, information about courses, including online and distance learning options, and a link to the Gov Find a Job page to look for live vacancies. If you don't yet have a job in mind, you can use the Job Category tool. This will give you an outline of roles within your chosen sector. This is a great way of finding out about jobs that you maybe hadn't heard of, or don't know much about, or aren't sure if they'd be suitable for you or not. This is a great tool to use if you want to make a short list of potential jobs and then explore them further. If you click on a job title that catches your eye, it'll take you to the job profile as seen before. If you'd like to learn more about any of the jobs that you've seen, would like to know about learning, funding for learning, getting help with your CV or interviews, or anything else related to your job or career, there's a Contact Us page that details all the different ways you can access support from our expert advisors. Just search National Careers Service or go to nationalcareers.service.gov.uk.